The question is she fixable? Is she gonna fly again? Hi and welcome! If you are interested in my approach, stay along then. So first, I removed all damaged bits and landing gear. That is just for ease of work, otherwise the wheels would get in the way and make aligning difficult. Second, I cut out relevant bits using original plans, making extra care to keep original dimensions. And then, carefully put them in place. I make sure all parts are in line and square, just like the new build. Oh, and by the way, apologies for the format. It was meant to be short in the first place, but I run over the time limit. Sorry. Third, it is taping to bring back the handsome looks. What is left is just assembling the whole thing back together. And look at that! She takes off again. Thank you for joining me and take care.